All right, so a mere 14 months after purchase, our beloved Blueair 311i Plus Max has died. I'm not looking forward to dealing with customer service because if you look on places like Reddit, customer service has been kind of a nightmare, I think, to deal with Blueair. Let me tell you what happened. All right, so here's what they say to troubleshoot on your Blueair air purifier if it is not working, not responding. You can kind of see, I don't know if you can or not, this is starting to sporadically just come on. You can see that, and then it shuts off. What they had me do, I did contact the customer service, went through the troubleshooting. You hold down the power button for 30 seconds, and basically what you're doing is kind of a factory reset. Doing that, I got no response. This is actually the first time that we're even getting power to this, so it's kind of funny that power's going on, coming off. I've tried it on different outlets. There's just something wrong with this, right? So the question for me when dealing with customer service was, well, what are they gonna end up doing with it? Is this a warranty repair? Would I get a new one? They're gonna tell me kick rocks, go buy a new one. I don't know. So I got online with the Blueair app and went down into the customer service section and ended up talking to somebody on text about the Blueair air purifier who went through a few troubleshooting techniques to determine what was wrong with it. Once we determined that there was something wrong with the Blueair, they had to verify that it was a legitimate purchase. So I had to send them an invoice of where we purchased it, and then they wanted a picture or a video of the actual model that we had on hand. And I'm thinking, is this going way too good than I think? I mean, it was like within a matter of minutes. And then I would say within 3 days, this shows up in the mail. They sent us a whole new 311i Plus Max air purifier. This went a little too easy. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get this one set up. It should be pretty simple since we've done it before several times, and we've done a bunch of videos on changing out the pre-filter, the filter. Again, we love this air purifier. I mean, it's gigantic and huge, but it keeps our bedroom air super clean. No dust, hair. I mean, we don't have any of those problems anymore. My experience with customer service Blueair has actually been better than I expected. Like I said, as soon as I got off the customer service app to get this thing replaced and verify that we had purchased it, they took down the address and then had this shipped out. Now I'm supposed to use the same box and put in the old air purifier into this and then ship it back, and then they gave us a UPS prepaid sticker for it. So here we go. This is brand new, the 311i Plus Max. And really the only setup I think is going to be adding this new unit to the app that we have, because you can control it with the Blueair app. All right, so we're gonna bring it on over, take off the rubber band, and then let's get it plugged in. Once we turn it on, we see the lights blinking, and then you see the little plus feature here. We're gonna add, that's the old one, we're gonna add a new one. Looking for devices. So we're here, so it says select device. So it's connecting via Bluetooth. All right, once you connect it to your Wi-Fi, it's going to show that it's connecting. Continue. Device name Blueair. Shows that the device is added. So now we have the old one, which I will remove, and then we have our new one that is labeled as Blueair, and that's it. We have officially swapped the non-working 311i Plus Max for the new one. The process was pretty easy, pretty simple. And then I guess the hardest thing is going to be getting it shipped back, which they've already sent us the UPS return. We put it into this box here and then we're done. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and place this in. This is our old one. I am going to keep the outer reusable cover simply because one, they're gonna throw that in the trash. That's not gonna get reused anyways. And then if you remember from our videos, we just changed this filter, the main filter, a few months ago. So I'm gonna keep the filter also and use that for the new one. And we're just gonna put the bare bones into the box to send back. There's our filter. We're going to keep. So put the ring back on. We put our top back on. This is going to go into the box. And like I tell my two boys, Bob's your uncle. Which actually Bob is their uncle. So this is ready to go. We're going to tape it up. We have the UPS return already done from Blueair. We don't have to ship anything back from our cost. This has gone really well. I actually do appreciate Blueair doing this for us.